Donnell was pissed off because I told y'all about him not getting his food stamps or a check coming back home. Because y'all recorded.
God damn. That motherfucker got a big ass cigar.
He sold it to me. And I got this here too. And somebody let my dog out the doggone yard. I went to sleep for an hour and a half.
Your dog out.
Yeah, and when I came out, the dog was gone. They had to let him out because he can't open no fences, no gates.
Oh, yeah.
Would y'all please give me a bag to carry this on me?
But,
Where the $4?
what for out?
I want a Snicker, some ice cream,
Some ice cream.
and you can't get this one. This one's mine.
Okay.
Oh,
I understand.
the other phone that I have,
Yeah.
it's in the back of a friend's truck, and he's an 18-wheeler driver over the road. I don't know where that phone is. It's probably ruined now because it's in the back.